relentless move toward the future. Hyundai Wia. Bringing about a revolution for the good of humanity. Hyundai Wia is constantly going beyond its limits. A bountiful industrial society in a world that puts people first. The last 40 years of Hyundai Wia has been a time for challenge and innovation. As a core company of the Hyundai Motor Group and symbol of Korea, Hyundai Wia has worked to outpace others in expanding the technological frontier from automotive parts to machine tool and industrial machine to defense. When Hyundai Wia had an idea, it was a game changer. And when we put it into practice, the future got one step closer. Beyond the best in Korea, Hyundai Wia is evolving into a global top maker. Inaugurating a new platform for comprehensive machinery technology, Hyundai Wia promises you the world's highest quality. Including automotive engines, transmissions, and CV joints, Hyundai Wia has produced main automotive parts, and now it is one of the global top makers. Hyundai Wia is making all-out efforts to develop future automotive technologies, focusing on weight reduction, modularity, and the digitalization of parts. Having succeeded in developing the DCT transmission first in Korea in 2011, Hyundai Wia is devoting all its energy to developing the hybrid drive module for four-wheel drive SUV, aiming to complete it by 2015. The automotive parts sector of Hyundai Wia is seeking not only to improve driver convenience, but also to realize the well-being of people based on its superior technology and performance. From the production lines of the main automotive parts, such as engines and transmissions, to the production lines of heavy machines and generation parts, and to the processing assembly lines of smartphones, tablet PCs, and LCD panels, Hyundai Wia's industrial machine sector has played a key role of providing a foothold to support various pivotal industries in Korea. Hyundai Wia's industrial machine sector has maintained the top position in Korea for 11 consecutive years, based on its thorough quality control and high levels of consumer satisfaction. Moreover, the company is also excelling in the global powertrain market by expanding its business into the field of super precision machinery, such as factory automation and industrial robotics. Hyundai Wia's super precision machine technology opens the world of human mechatronics, in which humans and machines are in harmony. While Korea's key industries such as those of automobiles, steel, and shipbuilding are powerful forces worldwide, Hyundai Wia has been the underlying driving force behind the machinery sector, raising Korea's brand value. From the installation of the world's biggest 3,000-ton Goliath crane to the development of the world's third hot-forming press, the world is paying attention to the achievements made by the industrial machine sector of Hyundai Wia. Hyundai Wia manufactures press equipment through strategic partnerships with global companies, including GM and Cosma. Hyundai Wia is always committed to realizing a society where people and industries can be harmonized. Based on its original technology in areas such as large artillery and undercarriages, the defense sector of Hyundai Wia is taking the initiative in realizing self-defense in all areas of Army, Navy, and Air Force. From the development of the world's second 120mm smart mortar to that of the new 40mm warship gun, Hyundai Wia is realizing smart and strategic systems by applying the latest IT technology to simple weapon systems, and is also establishing its own independent domains in the main airplane device market, including for airplane landing gears, helicopter rotors, and cockpits. Bringing future technology closer through R&D, Hyundai Wia is rendering the dream of technological prowess a reality. Hyundai Wia is evolving from leading the Korean market to becoming a global player while responding fast to local demand changes in main overseas markets, including the US, China, Europe, and India, by strategically running production bases, research institutes, and sales networks strategically in those countries. In particular, in Shandong and Jiangsu, China, as well as Chennai, India. The company is making sure it is fully prepared to meet local demand by running large-scale automotive parts production bases, and is also promoting its brand globally by re-exporting products to the main industrial countries, including the US and Russia. Moreover, Hyundai Wia is realizing fast levels of service and high customer satisfaction through its industrial machine sales network across the world. Hyundai Wia research institutes in Changwon, Uiwang, and Hwaseong, Korea are committed to making an eco-friendly future by conducting R&D in association with the core affiliates of Hyundai Motor Group. In addition, the company is making all-out efforts to implement perfect quality by operating the PDCA system that encompasses all production process from materials and production to shipment and after-sales service. Which will it be? The company that will lead the world's machinery technology in this tornado of rapid change. Realizing the dream of humanity based on its creative drive and innovation, Hyundai Wia will lead the creative wave with its relentless devotion and passion, never fearing failure. The great creator of future machinery technology, Hyundai Wia.